Welcome to Simply Fun's How to Play Chums, our variation of the classic Go Fish game that features some of the tropical reef fish found in our oceans. You can play Chums with 2 to 6 players ages 4 and up. Chums is a great game for developing color and shape recognition skills, as players look at the shapes and colors on the corners of their cards and try to collect other cards with the same shapes and colors. Chums also helps develop matching skills, as players look at the colors, shapes, and fish on their cards and try to collect sets of 4 matching cards by asking other players or by taking cards from the draw pile. To set up the game, shuffle the deck and give 5 cards to each player. If there are only 2 players, give each player 7 cards. Players should look at their cards but not show the other players. Place the remaining cards face down, creating a draw pile that everyone can reach. The object of Chums is to collect sets of 4 matching cards by taking turns asking the other players for cards from their hands. Players try to collect as many sets as possible. The player that has collected the most sets of 4 when the cards run out wins. To play the game, players take turns asking other players for a specific card. If they have the card you're asking for, they give you that card. If they have more than one of that card, they give you all of them. Cards can be matched by the shape and shape color in the corners of the card, or by the fish. You may also hold up the card you want to match and show it to other players. If you got what you asked for, then you may ask another player for another card, either the same type or different. For example, Player 1 has a blue triangle mandarin fish in their hand and asks Player 2 for a blue triangle mandarin fish. Player 2 has 2 blue triangle cards and gives them both to Player 1. Player 1 now asks Player 3 for a red triangle lionfish. If you ask someone for a card and they do not have that card, then you take the top card from the draw pile and hope it might be what you're looking for. For example, Player 1 asks Player 3 for a yellow diamond yellow tang. They don't have any in their hand, so Player 1 will take the top card from the draw pile. If the card taken from the draw pile is the card you were searching for, show it to everyone, place it in your hand, and take another turn by asking a player for another card. If the card is not the card you were searching for, add it to your hand and your turn ends. Play continues with the person on your left. As soon as you collect a matching set of 4 fish, show the cards to all players and place them face down in front of yourself. The game ends when one player has no cards left in their hand, or when the draw pile runs out. The winner is the player who has collected the most sets of 4 fish, also called schools of fish. Get chummy with some fun tropical reef fish and see how many different fish you can chum around with when you play Simply Fun's Chums.